There is a flap here. I think there was a flap. Isn't there a flap here? Yes, there is. No, this is for show. So here I am with my updated version of what's in my bag. So this has been again a requested video from a lot of you, and I have already done a video like this before. If you want to check that video out, then I'll link somewhere here. That would be useful for you, I guess. So yeah, welcome to my channel Eat, Live and Love. I'm Pipli, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. So currently the bag that I'm using is a gifted one from my sister-in-law, and this is the bag, and I love everything about this bag. Also, another bag that I'm using currently is a bag which I bought from Garyahat market. I think I have shown you this bag before. This is the one. It's a huge one. Sometimes we need to carry a lot of things with us, and then I use this bag, this huge humongous bag that I have with me. Same things I transfer in this bag when I take this bag, and maybe with the things that I'll be showing you in this video, I'll carry my like laptop extra and maybe a few more things that I required for that day, but those things are not the things that I carry regularly. So I'll be showing the regular things that I carry nowadays, and this is the bag that I use nowadays. And this bag has a sling kind of a thing, and there are two small handles as well if I want to carry it in my hand. There is a flap here. I think there was a flap. Isn't there a flap here? Yes, there is. No, this is for show. So this is how you can open it, but this is only for show. Okay, so apart from that, there is a compartment here. There is no chain here, there is just a button thing, and there is a chain compartment here, a huge one, and then there is another button compartment here. So it's a pretty spacious bag. It looks small, but a lot of things goes into this. Because the handle is long, it makes easier for me to carry. So I love everything about this bag. And also this bag, the color of the bag is very pretty. It's peach color, and I love peach color, as you can see. So yeah, so let's get into what's inside the bag. Okay, let's start with this one. Okay, here I have this Savlon surface disinfectant spray that I carry with me nowadays every day, because again the COVID cases are rising and I don't want to take risk, and I ride in a lot of Uber, and that's why I keep this handy with me. I spray it before I sit in the Uber, and this keeps me safe, hopefully. Fingers crossed. So this is the first thing that I have in my bag. The second thing is a sunglass. Yeah, this sunglass is from Prop Shop 24. Now I didn't buy this one. I was sent by Prop Shop 24 because I won a contest. I'll be putting a picture somewhere here. They had given me this sunglass along with a note in it, and I think I have a picture of that. And I love these ones. These are kind of rose tinted sunglasses. These are not normal sunglasses, and this is how I look when I wear them. And I absolutely love these ones. And yeah, okay, I'm holding it upside down, so this is how it looks. So yeah, the third one are some pins, and there are a few small rings that I have with me. I like wearing rings a lot. I buy a lot of junk rings as well, like junk jewelry rings, and these are from a brand called Trunk of Trinkets. It's been run by my sister, and yeah, so I love these rings. I keep them handy. Whenever I like to wear them, I'll wear them. So that's that. Do I have anything else in this flap? No. Presumably no. No. Okay, so coming back to the compartment that have the zip one. So I have a lot of these scrunchies. This is one of them. This is another one. These are very colorful ones, and these also come in handy because I have cut my hair short, but since now the hair has become like this, so whenever I feel hot, I just take out these scrunchies and just tie up my hair, and that's very, very handy. Also, I'm loving this cup. I'm having coffee all the time, coffee, tea in this cup whole day. So yeah, these are the scrunchies that I have always. These are a must have for me. And also these clips which you can put here. Yeah, I don't have a lot of things in my bag now. Okay, the next product that I have in my bag is liquid lipstick. As you know, I love liquid lipsticks, and this is from the brand I Amsterdam, and the shade is Pure Goodnight. I absolutely love this shade. This is not a hot pink, but a pink, proper pink, and I use this sometimes when I feel like I need to have some colors on my lips, and I keep my eyes nude, and I prefer to use this particular shade. Now I Amsterdam is a brilliant, amazing company that you can find on purple.com. I've talked about this brand a lot in my buy or not to buy or favorites video in the past, and I prefer to keep this or some other shades from this range, I Amsterdam, this range, liquid lipstick range. There is another favorite of mine which is Annie Schilder. That's a nude brownish pinkish color, everything mixed into one, and it looks so good on Indian skin tone. I can highly recommend that to you. The next thing, I think I have just 2 more left. Wow. I prefer to keep a lot of masks with me right now. I bought these black masks from amazon.com, and I got 100 of these for like 350 rupees or 340 rupees, around that. And I like to keep this because these are disposable first of all, but I like to keep a lot of them because there are so many times when I go out and maybe a string loses off, or maybe the mask, I lose the mask itself. So if I keep this handy, then it comes handy. And also I keep this because there are so many people around me who also keep on losing their masks, or maybe someone is in need of masks, because masks are an essential part of our lives and will be for the, I don't know, for a couple of years now. So I try to keep these handy so that if someone else requires, I give these to them, and if I require, then I take these out and just put on the mask. Second last thing that I have with me is are these earbuds from Petron. Now this is how it looks. I think I have talked about this again earlier. This is one of my favorite things nowadays. This brand is Petron. I bought this from Amazon again, and these were for 1200 rupees, and I loved this. The quality, the audio quality is amazing, and I use this especially for my videos. So this is how it looks, and you just have to take this out and just have to put it in your ears, and it will look like this. And the quality, it also has got a noise cancellation feature, which is very, very good. So yeah, I highly recommend this one, and I'm using this for like 3-4 months now. Yeah, and I'm highly satisfied with this, and I don't go anywhere without these. But a disclaimer, don't use this while walking on the road, or don't listen to music all the time, because that's not very good for your ears. So I use this for my work, but I try not to use this all the time. So I think that's better for you as well. The last thing that I want to show is a wallet that I bought from Daily Objects. Now I wanted to have a small wallet because I was in dire need of one. The last wallet that I shown you, I think it was a light pink colored wallet. The chain, it somehow broke, and I can't fix it because it has gone bad. I wanted to buy a good one. So Daily Objects has got a lot of options to choose from, and this is how it looks. I love the color. It's olive green, and this is how it looks from inside. I loved the color combination, the olive green with the creamy whitish color that it has inside. And of course you have the money compartment, the coin compartment here, and the card compartment here. And I love everything about this wallet. Especially I love the quality and the color, and and it's so handy na. It comes in a, like, even if I don't carry anything, I can carry this, or I can put this in my pocket. So I don't have anything else, I guess. Sometimes I also have my, not the charger only, but also the power bank with me, which is not here with me right now. And yeah, so I'm sorted for the day when I take these things out with me in my bag. And hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, please let me know any other suggestions that you have regarding the videos that I make. And also, if you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also please comment down below, because that makes my day. I love reading your comments. That's it for this video. See you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and stay positive. Bye.